Welcome back to our channel Respect Education. Now we see exercise 14.2. In that problem number 1. The following table shows the ages of the patients admitted in a hospital during a year. Find the mode and the mean of the given data. Compare and interpret the two measures of central tendency. So here is the given data. These are the ages of the patients and this is the number of patients. Now here there are two questions. First one is we should find the mode and second one is we should find the mean and then we should interpret. Now let us find one by one. First, for finding mean, let us prepare the table. Clear? So here these are called class intervals. So Ci, number of patients admitted by frequency, that is Fi, right? Now here what to be found now? Xi is to be found now. So let us find here Xi. Xi is nothing but class marks. Let us write class mark. Finding Xi is just finding the midpoint of these values. Clear? 5 plus 15 is 20. 20 by 2 is
10.
So x1 or first value of xi is 10. Here you observe carefully. 5 to 15 difference is 10. 15 to 25 difference is
10.
So everywhere difference is
10.
So 10 can be added here. So 10 will become 20. Next
30.
Next
40.
Next one
50.
Next
60.
Right. Now here we have to decide whether we can follow direct method or assume mean method or what is another method? Step deviation method. Now we have to decide which method is to be followed. Here, as the ending numbers are zeros, let us solve this problem in direct method only. Is it clear? So here, for direct method, what is to be found now? Fi into xi. Fi into xi. So 6 tens are 60. 11 into 20. 11 twos are 22. So 11 into 20, 220. 22 and here 0 will come. 220. Clear? Let us write this 0 first. 21 into 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. So here 63 means 630 will come. Clear? Let us write the 0 here. Now 4 threes are 12. 2 is 1 is carry forward. So 4 twos are 8 plus that 1 9. Let us write the 0 first. 5 fours are 20. 2 is there. 5 ones are 5. 5 plus 2 7. Now let us write the 0 here. 5 6 are
30.
so 5 60s are 300. So Fi is also ready. Now by using direct method we should find the total of Fi and also total of Fi. So let us write this as sigma Fi into xi. Let us add them. See here all zeros becomes here 0. Clear? Now here 6 plus 2 8. 8 plus 3 11. 11 plus 2 13. So here 3 here and 1 is the carry forward. Right? 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 7, 11, 11 plus 9, 20, 20 plus 6, 26 plus 2, 28. So it is 2830 is the value of sigma Fi. Now sigma Fi. Sigma Fi. Let us do their total. 6 plus 1, 7 plus 1, 8 plus 3, 11. 11 plus 4, 15. 15 plus 5, 20. So 0 here and 2 is the carry forward. Now 2 plus 1, 3 plus 2, 5 plus 2, 7 plus 1. So here sigma Fi is 80. Clear? Now here what is asked now first? Mode. Right? So first we will find mode, then we will find mean. Is it clear? Just we made the table ready for finding mean, but first we are going to find mode. Here you observe carefully, there are 3 measures of central tendency. How many? 3 are there, in which first one is mean, second one is mode, and third one is median. For finding mean, there are 3 methods. One is direct method, assume mean method, or step deviation method. There are 3 methods. And for finding median, we have a formula that we are going to discuss later. Now, for finding mode, also we have a formula. Now we are going to learn the formula. Before that, when we come to the table, for finding mode, the given table is sufficient. We need not to draw one more extra column also. We need not to draw. Is it clear? So here you see, this is the given table, right? These first 2 columns only given table, with which we can solve, we can find mode. First let us see what is the mode formula. Formula for mode is L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Now we will see how to find each and every value. Clear? First, I told you, by using these 2 columns only, this can be found, it can be solved. Here in this list, which one is the maximum value? What is the maximum highest value? 23. That you round up. Where 23 is there, this you round up. This is called model class. Is it clear? Where you get the highest value of frequency, that is called model class. Here I am writing, this is model class. Means from which we can find the mode. Clear? After finding model class, here this model classes, this lower boundary, okay, or lower limit, not upper limit. Lower limit is how much is this?
35.
That is called L. That is L. This lower limit is L. So here we found one value, that is L is equal to 35. Is it clear? And now here we need F0, F1 and F2 values. Here without confusing, observe carefully, they will be in the same order. First of all, you observe in 0, 1 and 2. In 0, 1 and 2, which number will come first?
0.
0. So here this is only F0. After 0, which number will come?
1.
So this is F1. And after 1, which number will come?
2.
So this is F2. Is it clear? So when you find the highest frequency, then our work will be easy. So do not think this is F0, this is F1. So this is in order, F0, this one is F1 and next one is F2. This is how all the 3 values we got. So let us write F0, F1 and F2. Let us copy in the same order, 21, 23 and 14. Let us write same, 21, 23 and 14. Clear? I have written these 3 values in the same order. Any doubt? Now here we are in need of finding H. So here let us write H value now. H is nothing but the height or width of the class interval. See here the difference, 15 to 5. What is the difference between 5 and 15? 10. So here I am writing H is equal to 10. H is equal to 10. So the same H here I am taking. These are the values to be substituted in the formula. Clear? Now let us add one by one. These are the values. Okay. Now tell me here first, L 35 plus F1
23.
23, F1 minus F0 means F0
21.
is 21 by 2 times F1 means 2 times 23. Is it clear? 2 times 23 is 2 into 23 is 46 minus F0, that is 21 minus F2 is 14. you can read this as either F0 or F0 into H is 10. Now here let us write 35 as it is plus 23 minus 21 is 2 by let us write 46 as it is and add them. 20 minus 21 minus 14 are to be added with minus symbol, that is 35. Clear? 35 into 10. Right? Now here this is 35 plus 2 by 46 minus 35 is 11 into 10. So here this is 35 plus 20 by 11. 20 by 11. So here let us do rough work now for that. Let us do to divide 20 with 11. 11 ones are 11. How much is left? 9. Remainder is 9 when you subtract. So here you keep point, 9 will become 90. 11 8 jar 88. 2 because this point again 0 will come. So again 11 1 jar 11. Again how much you will get? 9. Means again 90. 11 8 jar 88. Clear? So it is 1.818. 1.818. So let us write here this as 1.818. Still it is so on, so we can stop there, no problem. So here 35 plus 1 is 36. 36.818. 36.818. Here you see class intervals. It is in years. So this is 36.818 years. This is how we can find the mode. Now we are going to find mean. Now here for mean already we have decided to find it in the direct method. So let us write direct method formula. By direct method, mean x bar is equal to sigma fi into xi by sigma fi. Is it clear? Now here let us substitute values. Now what is sigma fi xi value? 2830 by sigma fi 80. So here this is 2830 by 80. So here let us cancel 0 and 0. Now what is left? 283 by 8. Let us do division here. 283 with 8. Right? 8 3s are 24. So here 4 by dropping 3 will come here. Again 8 5s are 40. Now here on subtraction 3 you will get. You keep the point here, 0 will come. Clear? Again 8 3s are 24. Here 6 is there, so 60. 8 7s are 56. So here 4 means 40. So 8 5s are again 40. Clear now? So here what we get here? 35.375. 35.375. As class interval is again in years, so this also will be in years. So here let us rub this simplification part now. So here this is 35.375 years. Now here you read the question. In the question, find the mode that is found and the mean. Mean is also found. Now the question is that compare and interpret the two measures of central tendency. So let us compare the values of mode and mean. So here let us write that is interpretation. Interpretation. Here you do understand that the value of the mode, it indicates maximum age of the patients that they have joined in the hospital. Is it clear? This is the maximum age of the patients. So here let us write now maximum age of patients is, what is the maximum age of patients? Is nothing but mode, that is nothing but 36.818 years. This is the conclusion from mode. And here the mean value will give the average age of the patient. Is it clear? So on an average, this age of this age groups patients have joined in the hospital, or we can say the average age group of the patients is 35.375 years. Is it clear? So let us write now, and their average age is of how many years? 35.375 years. Is it clear? So like this we can conclude the problem. With this the problem number 1 gets completed. Now we see question number 2. The following data gives the information on the observed lifetimes, the 2 lifetimes is in hours, of 225 electrical components. Determine the model life of the components. Here you observe the word model lifetime. Model lifetime means nothing but finding mode only. So here we should find the mode of the given data in simple. Clear? Model lifetimes, nothing but mode of the lifetimes. Right? Now here this is the given data. So lifetime in hours, 0 to 20 hours, 10 components are there, later the remaining data is there. Now for finding mode, we need not to draw one more column. Is it clear? Without drawing one more column only we can solve it. So here let us start now. We are going to find the mode. Now what is the formula for mode? L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Right? Now here let us find all the values. Before finding that, here you select which frequency is maximum. 61. That you round up. This is called model class. So here let us write it is model class. Right? The model class whose this lower limit is called L. So here you can say L is equal to 60. And here you see the difference, that is, so 0 to 20, what is the difference? 20. So here H is equal to 20. So H is equal to 20. Right? And here in the model class, the frequency, what is there? That is F1. Before that one is F0 or F0. Next one is F2. That's all you see. We got all the values. Right? Let us write the list here now. So we have L is equal to 60. L is equal to 60. And F0, F1 and F2. Let us copy all the values, all the three values as it is. 52, 61, 38. 52, 61 and 38. And H is equal to, here you see, 20. Clear? Now let us substitute these values there. Now on substitution, mode is equal to L. L is 60 plus F1 61 minus F0 52 by 2 times F1. So 2 into 61. 2 into 61 is 122. 122 minus F0 52 minus F2 38 into H is 20. Is it clear? Now let us write 60 as it is. 60 plus 61 minus 52 is 9. It is 9. By let us write 122 as it is minus, let us add these two values. 52 plus 38 is 90 into, let us write the 20 as it is. Clear? Now this is 60 plus 9 by 122 minus 90 is 32. into this 20. Now let us cancel these two values with fourth table. This is 4 5s are 20, 4 8s are 32. Clear? Here is 9, here is 5, here is 8. No cancellation. So let us write as it is. So we can write 60 plus 9 5s are 45 divided by 8. Now here let us divide 45 with 8. 8 5s are
40.
40. So on subtraction 5 is the remainder. Now here we keep the point here, so 5 will become 50. Clear? 8 6 are 48. So 2 is there, because this point 0 will come, it is 20. Again 8 2s are 16. 4 is there, because this point here 0 will come. 8 how much are 40? 8 5s are 40. Clear? So let us write this value 60, let us write as it is, plus 45 by 8, the value is 5.625. Clear? On adding, let us add 60 plus 5 is 65 point, let us write the 625 as it is. Clear? Now you see, determine the model lifetimes of the components. Let us conclude. Therefore, the model lifetime is, let us write the answer first, that is 65.625, and units you see it is in hours. So here this we can write hours. So final answer is 65.625 hours. Is it clear? Right. Now we see question number 3. The following data gives the distribution of total monthly household expenditure of 200 families of a village. Find the model monthly expenditure of the families. Also find mean monthly expenditure. Here there are two questions. First one is, we should find the model monthly expenditure, nothing but mode. Also we should find the mean. There are two questions, right? So first here let us extend the table for finding the mean, then we will start finding them. So first here this given one, first one is class interval Ci, this is frequency Fi. Here we should find mid values, that is Xi, right? For 1000 and 1500 you just add them. 2500, 2500 by 2 is 1250. Simply we can say 1250. So here first Xi value is 1250. Is it clear? And you find the difference here everywhere. Everywhere the difference is 500. Everywhere it is equal. So we can add 500 here. So 1250 plus 500 is 1750. Again 17 plus 50 plus 500 is 2250. Clear? So it is here, see, 1250, 1750, 2250, 2750. Next 3250, 3750. Again 4250, 4750. Let us check once again. For 4500 and for 5000, mid value is 4750. So it is right. Now we found Xi. Now if we are able to multiply F and Xi, then we can follow direct method. But here as the values are bigger, we can go for the further method by finding Di. So here we are going to find Di. Di is nothing but Xi minus A. So here A is to be selected from the list of Xi. We will select the almost middle value. See, these two are top and bottom, and these two and these two. Now here these two values are the middle values, either 2750 or 3250. So here I am selecting this value as A. In fact, we can select any one of these. So here I am taking this value as A. Clear? Now we will do subtraction. 1250 minus 3250 is minus 2000. It is minus 2000. And here 1750 325 minus 3250. This is actually here, if you observe carefully, The difference is 500 is there. The same difference will come here. It is 1500. And this minus this is minus 1000. And this minus this is minus 500. Everywhere 500 is the difference. And 3250 minus 3250 is 0. Now again here 3750 minus 3250 is plus 500. Again you maintain the 500 difference. It is plus 1000. It is plus 1500. Is it clear? So now, as these values are in the multiples of hundreds, so better multiplication may be easy for us. So that's why we are going to solve this problem by using assumed mean method. If not, you can find ui and you can find fi into ui, so that you can follow step deviation method also. Now here, let us follow assumed mean method. So we will find fi into di. Fi into di. So let us multiply these values. Here how many zeros are there? 3 zeros are there. Let us write all the 3 zeros as it is. And 2 into 24 is 48. Minus 48. Here negative is there. So it is minus 48,000. Clear? Here you see 1, 2, 3. So let us write 3 zeros as it is. 4 15s are 60. So minus 60 will come. Clear? Here 3 zeros are there. Let us write 1, 2, 3 zeros as it is. 33 into 1 is 33. So minus 33 will come. Here 2 zeros are there. Let us write 2 zeros only. 5 into 28 is 140. So here let us write 140. As it is negative, we'll write negative. 0 into 30 is 0 only. Clear? Next, here how many zeros are there? 2 zeros are there. Let us write 2 zeros. 5 into 22 is 110. So here let us write 110. It is positive, plus 110. Here how many zeros are there? 3 zeros are there. Let us write 3 zeros as it is. 16 ones are 16. Here how many zeros are there? 2 are there. So 7 into 15 is 105. Clear? So let us add these values, so that you will get sigma fi into di. Now we can add these values. That can be denoted by sigma fi into di. Let us add them. Here you see 2 zeros are same. So let us write 2 zeros. Now here third place 5. And here every third place you check. Only 5 is there. Let us write 5. Clear? Now here let us say only 1000 places. So first let us add the negative numbers first. So 8 plus 3, 11. 11 plus 4, 15. So here let us do one thing. Let us add them separately. First 4 with negative symbol, last 3 with positive symbol we will write now here. First let us add these now. See here all the 3 final values are 3 zeros are there. So let us write 3 zeros. Right? Now here 8 plus 3, 11. 11 plus 4, 15. So here 4 is there, 1 is carry forward. That one I am writing here. So 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 6, 11. 11 plus 4, 15. So it is 15,500 but negative. So minus 15,500. Plus, let us add the positive values. Here 000, 500. Let us write 500. Clear? And now we are going to add these values. 1 plus 6 is 7. Let us write 7 here. 1 plus 1 is 2 plus 1 is 3. Clear? Now here let us subtract them. Is there anything wrong? Let us add once again. Okay. 11,000, 10,000. Okay. Now here as they have the different symbols, we need to do subtraction. So on subtracting these two, you get 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. Here borrowing 10 minus 5 is 5. This will become 4. Again borrowing 14 minus 7 is 7. This is 14. 14 minus 3 is 11. So it is minus 117,500. Is it clear? This is sigma fi di. And sigma fi, let us add these values also. Here two ways. This 200 can be taken as sigma fi. If not, better we can check once. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 8, 15. 15 plus 2, 17. 17 plus 6, 23. 23 plus 7, 30. So here 0 and 3 is carry forward. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 2,
5.
4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 2, 11. 11 plus 3, 14. 14 plus 4, 18. 18 plus 2, 20. So here 200. Clear? These values are ready. Let us keep them aside. First we will find mode. Right? Now here, as you know, mode formula L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Right? So here, mode is very easy without drawing extra column. By taking these two, the mode can be found easily. First of all, we need to select the maximum frequency. In this list, which is the highest number?
40.
40. So let us round it up. That is called model class. This is model class. Clear? Whose lower limit is L? So L is 1500. Clear? And here the difference between 1000 and 1500, that is 500, that is H. H equal to 500. And where you found this maximum frequency, the above one is F0, this is F1, this is F2. Is it clear? So let us substitute these values there directly. So here L is, L means 1500 plus F1 minus F0, 40 minus 24. 40 minus 24 divided by 2 times F1 means 2 into 40 is 80. Right? Minus F0 and minus F2. Minus F0 is minus 24 and minus 33. Let us add them. It is minus 57. Minus 57 into H is 500. Clear? So let us simplify this. Write 1500 as it is plus 40 minus 24 is 16 by 80 minus 57 is 23 into 500. As there is no cancellation, we have to do division only. So here let us write 1500 as it is plus 16 into 5. 16 5s are 80, so it is 8000. 8000 should be divided by 23. So here let us do division here. 8000 let us divide with 23. Clear? 23 4s are 4 3s are 12. Here 192. It is more than 80. So we should not have 4 times. We will take 3 times only. 3 into 23 is 69. On subtraction you will get 11. Here let us drop 0. It is 110. Clear? Let us try 23 5s are 5 3s are 15 here. 1 5 is 10, 115. It is more. So let us take 4 times only. 4 times it is 92. Clear? So it is 18. Let us drop this 0 also. Now 23, how many times we check here? We can take, if we take 6 times, it is more. Because it is 6 3s are 18. 1 6 2s are 12. Plus 1 13. Okay, we can take 6 times. 7 times can we try? 7 times. 7 3s are 21. 1 is there. 2. 7 2s are 14 plus 2. 16. 8 times if you see, 8 3s are 24. 2 is there. 8 2s are 16 plus 2. 18. 184 is more. So we can take 7 times only. So 7 3s are 21. 2 is there. 7 2s are 14 plus 2. 16. So on subtraction you get 19. Clear? When you keep here point, this will be 0. 190. Now we can take here 8 times. 8 into 23 is 8 3 are 24. 2 184. Here 6 is left, means 60. Is it clear? Now here 23 3s are only 69. As we have 60, we can take 2 times. So it is 46. Clear? Now here we can stop up to here. Let us write the value now. This is 1500. Let us write as it is plus this answer is 3, 4, 7.8. Here you see the next number, let us decide now. Here it is, this is 4, 14 means 140. Is it clear? This will be more than 5, 23. Here you will get 23 5s, you just take. Clear? So when we close this for existing, next number is more than 5 means 82 will become 83. 82 will become 83 because this next value is 5 or more than 5. So 1 is to be added to this, means this value is raised by 1. So 82 will become 83. Is it clear? Now let us add them. 1500 plus 347 is 1847.83. So this is what we found, mode. Now let us find mean. Mean formula is, it is denoted by x bar. X bar equal to, we are using here assume mean method. So by assume mean method, formula is a plus sigma fi di by sigma fi. Right? Here let us see the values. A is equal to 3250. So let us substitute here 3250 plus sigma fi di is minus 117500. So let us replace this plus with minus, because plus into this minus is minus. So minus 117500 divided by sigma fi is 200. 200. Clear? Let us cancel the zeros. This 0 get cancelled. Now here we will get 3250 minus, let us divide 1175 with 2. 1175 with 2. 1175 divide with 2. 2 5s are 10. Here remainder is 1. So here 7 will come. 2 8s are 16. Remainder is 1. Here 5 will be dropped. 2 7s are 14. Here 1 is remainder. When you keep point here 0 will come. 2 how much are 10? 2 5s are 10. So it is, we can write in place of 1175 by 2, let us add this value 587.5. Clear? Now let us do subtraction. That is 3250 minus 587.5. Here we write this as 0.0, and on borrowing 10 minus 5 is 5. This is 9. 9 minus 7 is 2. 9 minus 7 is 2. Here this 5 will become 4. Now here on borrowing 14 minus 8 is 6. This will be 31. 31 minus 5 is 26. So it is 2662.5. 2662.5. Clear? Here you observe, the question is, we should find the model monthly expenditure and also we should find the mean monthly expenditure. So let us add the conclusion. Therefore, the model monthly expenditure, as I do not have place here, I am writing model expenditure is, the model expenditure is, here you see units, the class interval is in rupees, so we should add rupees here. Okay, as we have this symbol, we will keep this symbol here, is rupees 1847.83, and mean expenditure is
266.
Yes, and let us add mean is rupees, we will add here rupees 2662.5. So with this problem 3 gets completed. Now we see question number 4. The following distribution gives the state-wise teacher-student ratio in higher secondary schools of India. Find the mode and mean of this data. So here we need to find mode and also mean. Then interpret the two measures. So here how many questions are there? 2 questions are there. First one is finding mode, second one is finding mean. So first let us make the table ready for finding mean. So here consider the first values, number of students as class interval, and number of states has frequency, that is Fi. Now what is to be found now? Xi. So let us find Xi also called class mark. So here nothing but the midpoint of these two values. 15 plus 20 is 35. 35 by 2 is 17.5. 17.5. Right? Now onwards you observe everywhere. What is the difference here? 5 is there. 5 is called the class width. So here we can add 5 directly. So 17.5 plus 5 is 22.5. Next one is 27.5. Here onwards you observe 17.5, 22.5, 27.5, 32.5 means 32.5. Then 37.5, 37.5. Clear? Next one is 42.5. Next one is 47.5. Next one is 52.5. Let us here verify. 50 plus 55 is 105. 105 by 2 is 52.5. So it is right. Now we found Xi. If at all we want to continue this problem in direct method, then we can write here only Fi into Xi. But actually here this multiplication is not that much little bit easy. So here we will go for the next process, next method, that is assume mean method. Let us see assume mean method, di. Di means Xi minus A. Xi minus A. So here we have to select one value as A. So here almost will take the middle value. So here these two are the first top one and bottom one, and these two, then these two, and there are two chances to take either 32.5 or 37.5. So here we can take 37.5 as A. Is it clear? If not, you can take 32.5 also, no problem. Now let us find the values of di. 17.5 minus 37.5 minus 20. 22.5 minus 37.5 is minus 15. Here if you observe carefully, the difference between these two is 5. That is nothing but the class width. So let us maintain the same difference. Then minus 15 will become minus 10. Minus 10 will become minus 5. This is 0 plus 5 plus 10 and then plus 15. So here we got the values of di also. Now if you decide to continue this problem in assume mean method, then you should find here Fi into di. That means the product of these two. If not, we will go for the next method, that is step deviation method by finding ui. So here let us find ui to make the problem much more simpler. Okay. So here ui means di by h. Di by h. So here h is nothing but the class width. That is 20 minus 15 is 5. So h is equal to 5. Now di is minus 20. Minus 20 by 5 is minus 4. Clear? Minus 15 divided by 5 is minus 3. Minus 10 divided by 5 is minus 2. Minus 5 by minus 5 by 5. Minus 1. 0 by 5. 0. 5 by 5. 1. 10 by 5. 15 by 5. Like this. Now here we got the values of ui also. Now here we are going to find Fi into ui. Fi into ui. Let us multiply the second column values with the fifth column values. Now let us write minus as this. 3 4s are 12. Minus again 8 3s are 24. Minus 9 2s are 18. Minus 10 1s are 10. 3 zeros are 0. 0 into 1 is 0. 0 into 2 is 0. 2 into 3 is 6. Now we have the values of Fi into ui. Now here let us add them. That is sigma Fi into ui. Let us add the negative values first. 2 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 plus 8 is 14. So here 14 means 4 here and 1 is the carry forward. In fact, it is minus 1 only. 1 plus 1, 2, 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 1, 6. So it is minus 64 plus in this positive values only 6 is there. So this is minus 58. Minus 64 plus 6 is minus 58. And let us come back here. Let us do sigma Fi also. Sigma Fi. 8 plus 3 is 11. 11 plus 9 is 20. So here 23. This is 25. Here 5 is the 2 is the carry forward. 2 plus 1 is 3. So sigma Fi is 35. Is it clear? Now let us make these values ready. But here what is asked to find first? Mode. So let's find mode. Then we will come back to find the mean using these values. Right? Now here let us find mode. We have the formula for mode is L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Clear? Now here let us find these values from this table. As we are finding mode, the values of xi, di, ui, fi into ui, these all are not necessary for mode. Only the given table is sufficient. In this, how to find this F0, F1, F2? Here you find which value is the maximum value. 10 is the maximum value. So let us decide this as the model class. Consider this as model class. Model class, right? In which this upper one is F0, this is F1 and the next one is F2. And here the lower class limit, that is L is equal to 30. Clear? So we have all the values. Tell me here, what is L? 30. F0, F1 and F2. F0 is 9, F1 is 10 and F2 is 3 and H is 5. So let us substitute the values directly. So here L plus, L means 30 plus F1 minus F0, 10 minus 9, 10 minus 9. So it is, let us write 10 minus 9 by 2 times F1, 2 times 20 minus F0 minus F2. So minus F0 is minus 9, minus F2 is minus 3, minus 9 minus 3 is minus 12 into H is 5. Right?
Yes.
Now let us simplify this one now. This is 30 plus 10 minus 9 is 1. 1 into 5 is 5 by 20 minus 12 is 8. Now here let us divide 5 with this 8. 0 point means it will become 50. So 8 6 are 48. What is the remainder? 2. Because this point 2 will become 20. 8 2s are 16. Now here 4. Here 8, this point, because of point 0 will come 40. 8 5s are 40. Remainder is 0. So here we can write it as 30 plus this value is 0.625. So it is 30.625. This is the value of the mode. Clear? Now here let us find mean. Mean. Actually, which method we are following now for finding mean? Step deviation method. So by step deviation method, let us write the formula. By step deviation method, mean x bar is equal to a plus sigma fi into ui by sigma fi into h. Once again, let us find these values from the table. What is the value of a? A is here 37.5. Sigma fi into ui is minus 58. Sigma fi is 35 and h is 5. Let us substitute the values there. So a is equal to 37.5. 37.5 plus, here it is minus. Plus into minus becomes minus. So let us write minus 58 by sigma fi total is 35 into h is 5. Now here let us cancel this 5 and 35 7 times. Is it clear? Now let us divide 58 with 7. Let us divide this 58 with 7. 7 8 are 56. What is the remainder? 2. So here when we keep the point, 2 becomes 20. 2 becomes 20. 0 will come, so 20. 7 2s are 14. Here 6 means 60. 7 8 are 56. Again here 4 means 40. 7 5s are 35. So here this is again 5, so 50 will come. 7 7 jar. Now here we can take this value as, let us write 37.5 as it is, minus 8.28. Here I am taking it as 8.28. I am adjusting it as the next value is more than 5. So 2 becomes 3. So let us take 8.3. Clear? On subtraction, here we get 5 minus 3 is 2. 37 minus 8 is 29. Clear? Understanding? Here let us adjust this mode value also after one decimal. Let us keep the line here. After the line, which number is there? 2 is there. If it is 2, shall I write the 6 as it is, or 6 will become 7? As it is. So let us write this as 30.6. Now here we should write the units also. Let us see the units here. This is number of students. Clear? In fact, number of students, it does not have any units. So we can leave the answer like this. But you see the question here. Find the mode. Mode is found as 30.6. And the mean. So mean is also found. That is 29.2 of this data. It is over. Interpret the two measures. Now here we should write the interpretation. Interpretation of these two measures of central tendency. Now here let us write the conclusion that mode value, that is 30.6, it will give the maximum number of the teacher student ratio of the states. Is it clear? So here interpretation will write it as, since mode is 30.6, we can write as maximum number of states. Maximum number of states have student teacher ratio as this value 30.6, and this mean value gives the average, and their average ratio is, our average is 29.2. So with this problem 4 gets completed. Now we see question number 5. The given distribution shows the number of runs scored by some top batsmen of the world in one-day international cricket matches. Find the mode of the data. So here is the given data. These are the runs and this is the number of batsmen. Now here we are asked to find the mode. So let us write the formula first. Mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Clear? Let us find those values here. So first, to find F0, F1, F2, here you should select the highest value. 18 is the highest value, right? So here let us consider the class interval which contains 18 as the model class. This is the model class, whose this lower limit can be taken as L. 4000 is L. Clear? Now here this is above one is F0, this is F1 and this is F2. And here you see the difference. 4000 minus 3000 is 1000. Everywhere it is the same. So here H is equal to 1000. Clear?
That's right.
Now, yes, we have all the values. Let us write the values clearly here. Let us write now. L is equal to, L is 4000. And let us write F0, F1 and then F2 as it is 4, 18 and 9. Here is 4, 18 and then 9, and H value is, H is 1000. Let us substitute these values in the formula. Right. Now here, tell me what is L?
4000.
4000 plus F1 minus F0. This is F1 minus F0. 18 minus 4 is 14. So let us write here 14 by 2 times F1 means 2 into 18 is 36 minus F0 minus F2. Minus F0 minus F2 is minus 9 minus 4 minus 9 is minus 13. So here let us write minus 13 into H is 1000. Now let us simplify here. Write 4000 as it is plus 14 by 36 minus 13 is, it is 2 3 23. It is 23 into 1000. Now let us divide 14 with 23. Now here I am going to divide 14 with 23. Here let us write 0, then 14 becomes 140. Now here you just here how many times we can take it. If we take 7 times, 7 3s are 21, 2 7 2s are 14 plus 2 161 it is. So 7 times is more. So let us take 6 times. 6 3s are 18, 1. So let us take 6 times here. So 6 3s are 18. So 1 is carry forward. 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 1 is 13. So here our remainder is 2. Because of this point 0 will come. But still it is the bigger number. So let us write here 0, then 20 becomes 200. Clear? So here let us see directly 23 into 10 if we take, that is 230, that is more than this. If we take 23 into 9 3s are 27, here 7, 2 is there, 9 2s are 18 plus that 2 is 207 total. So it is more. So we can take 8 times. We can take 8 times. So 8 3s are 24. 8 3s are 24, 2 is there, 8 2s are 16 plus 2 18. So here 16 is there. Because of this point 160 means 0 will come. Clear? Can we try for 7 times now? If we take 8 times it will be more. 7 times let us see. 7 3s are 21, 2 is there, 7 2s are 14 plus 2 161. So let us take again 6 times only. 7 times is more. Already 6 times we have done, that is 138. Let us write 138 again. Clear? So now here 10 minus 8 is 2, this is 15, so 22 means 220 will come. So let us take 9 times. So we can take a break there. Now here let us come back. So write 4000 plus this value 14 by 23 is this much, that is 0.60869 into this 1000. Clear? When you multiply with this 1000, then this point it moves after 3 digits. Since it has 3 zeros, this point moves right hand side 3 digits. Then here what will happen? This is 4000 plus 608.69. 608.69. 69 can be, okay, we will let in another step that one. So 4000 plus 608 is 4608.69. Now here let us adjust this one up to 1 decimal. Now here, since the next value after this line is more than 5, now here shall I write 6 as it is, or 6 will it become 7?
6 will become 7.
Yes, because it is more than 5, 1 is to be added here. So this is 4608.7, and here you see the units runs, right? So let us here write it as runs. That means the mode of the given problem, and the final answer of the fifth problem is 4608.7 runs. With this problem 5 gets completed. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Right. Now we see question number 6. A student noted the number of cars passing through a spot on a road for 100 periods, each of 3 minutes, and summarized this in the table given below. So this is the given data. Now the question is that find the mode of the data. Here it is given as number of cars and then frequency, means how many times they have moved. Now the question is that we are asked to find mode. Let us write the formula first. Mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Now we are going to find these values. For finding F0, F1 and F2, here we should select the maximum number. In this list, which is the maximum value? 20. So let us round up this. Consider this as the model class. This is the model class. Now, from which we can find this upper one is F0, means F0, this is F1 and this is F2. And its lower limit is L. So L is 40. Now here see the difference, class width. Everywhere it is 10. So here H is equal to 10. Right? Now let us note down the values here. L is equal to, here L is 40. So L is 40. Let us write F0, F1 and then F2. Here we can write them in the order 12, 20 and 11. So let us write 12, 20 and then 11. And H is 10. Now here we are going to substitute these values in the above formula. Now you tell me L 40 plus F1 minus F0, 20 minus 12. 20 minus 12 is 8 by 2 times F1, means 2 into 20 is 40. Minus F0 minus F2, means minus 12 minus 11. We have to add them.
20.
Minus 12 minus 11 is minus 23. Let us write minus 23 into, here H is 10. Now let us simplify this one. 40 plus 8 by 40 minus 23 is 17. 8 into 10 is 80. So 80 by 17. So here let us simplify or divide 80 with 17. 17 4s are 68. So here on subtraction remainder is 12. When you keep here point, 12 becomes 120. Clear? Now here 17 6s are we take. So here 7 6 7s are 42. 4 is there. 6 1s are 6 plus 4 is 102. I think one more time we can take. So 17 7s are. So let us take 17 7s are. 7 7s are 49. 4 is there. 7 1s are 7 plus 4 is 11. It is 119. So on subtraction you will get 1 because this point will become 0. Means 10. 10 is again smaller than this. So here let us write 0. 10 becomes 100. Clear? Now 17 5s are 85. So here 15. Now let us write that value here. This is 40 plus, this is 4.705. Let us write 4.7, and here we are going to decide this value since the next value is 0. So here two options. Can we maintain the 7 as it is, or can we write 7 as 8? We can write as it is because this value is less than 5. So we can write as it is. Let us write 4.7. So on adding 40 plus 4 is 44.7. Now here you see the units. It is given as these many number of cars. So we can write here 44.7 cars. So let us conclude, therefore mode is equal to 44.7 cars. With this problem number 6 gets completed. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Right. If you feel this video is helpful to you, please like, share and subscribe our channel. And please do not forget to press the bell button so that you will get the notifications from our channel. Thank you very much.